Cyberbully attacks are involving kids who are...
The New York Times has filed a lawsuit in federal court for copyright
Children
infringement.
in America spend a huge chunk of their days staring at screens on their phones and other electronic
57.
devices.
That's how many breach notifications the National Privacy Commission has received in the first 4 months of this year alone.
Let's be honest. Most of us start our day by checking our phones. We let social media subtly influence our mood and priorities, often without even noticing. But what is this constant connection really costing us? Anxiety over likes, misinformation spreading in seconds, creativity being stolen, cyberbullying, hours lost to endless scrolling. This isn't just how we use technology. It's how technology is using us. That's why we created Scroll and Stroll, a friendly exploration of these challenges and how we can regain control. Through real stories, we'll uncover how to break free from the algorithm, reclaim our time, and rediscover inspiration beyond the screen.
Nako, onti lang ng likes and share sa post ko. Paano to? 3 days ko na itong pinaghirapan. Nag-edit, nag-design para sa project na to. Ano tuloy ipapakita ko sa internship ko niyan?
Wait nga lang, upo muna tayo. Kalma lang pre, hindi lang naman likes ang sukatan ng talento mo. Yung gawa mo, may halaga pa rin yan kahit hindi medyo sikat.
Puro viral content hanap ng mga company ngayon. Nakakasakop talaga yung algorithm na to.
Oo nga, pero hindi lang naman algorithm ang dapat masunod. Ipakita mo lang kung ano ang kaya mo. Pero what if i-content mo yung sa latte art mo? Kasi sa tingin ko, mas maganda pa yun kaysa sa pinost mo.
Sana nga. Sige, gawin ko yung kung ano yung gusto ko. Kung saan ako magaling, kung ano yung passion ko. At saka kung hindi man ako matanggap sa company na applyan ko, marami pa namang iba dyan.
Chasing validation online teams real-world passion. Reconnect with creativity offline to break the scroll cycle.
Uy, cancel na raw exam bukas oh. May nalig na gas kakapost lang.
Ang gulo naman ng source mo. Check mo kayo yung official school page. Nandun pa rin naman yung mga exam schedule eh.
Paano yan? Nakapagpabook na yung mga klase ko pa Boracay.
Naku, last month may fake scholarship post din yan. Mamaya niyan, ikaw kung mag-imbita ng gulo.
Sige, delete ko na lang mga share ko sa FB. Pero kung totoong cancel, ikaw bahala sa exam ko ah.
Misinformation spreads faster than truth. Pause, verify with authorities, and don't let the hype override logic.
Alam mo sis, kagabi may nakita ako sa Shopee. Oh. Tapos yung art ko nasa t-shirt.
Paano nasa t-shirt? Gumawa ka ba ng art mo?
Oo, kaso minayday ko kasi yun.
Oh, tapos, hindi mo ba nilagyan ng signature yung art mo?
Yun nga ang problema, kaya siguro nanakaw nila.
Sayang. Dapat, next time, ilalagay mo yung sign.
Oo nga sis. Lalagyan ko na talaga lagi.
Oo, para makredit sa'yo yung gawa mo. Sayang naman. Para di masayang yung effort mo, no?
Salamat sa pag-aalala mo sis.
Pero, dapat, eto, yung mga ganyan, nire-report mo yan para ma-address nila yung issue na gano'n.
Sige sis, ako na bahala dun.
Sige. Yun lang palang problema mo eh.
Ano ka ba? Malaking problema na rin yung kasi ninakaw yung art ko eh.
Sabagay, effort mo yun eh. Pagod mo yun. Sayang.
Protect your art like a business. Use traceable tags, save drafts, and claim ownership before opportunists do.
Uy, para saan ka?
Uy, tol, nandiyan ka pala?
Upo ka muna.
Anong ganap mo dito?
Wala, inaantay ko lang yung shota ako may binili.
Ako rin may binili lang rin ako sa babae.
Kumusta nga pala yung exam mo kahapon?
Ang hirap nga.
Ako din, parang naguluhan ako sobra.
Baba rin na nakuha ko. Paano? May nag-chat sa akin, dami account. Ang bobo ka daw, mag-drop na ako.
Gogi par, hindi totoo yan.
Na-screenshot mo ba yung sinabi sa'yo para masumbong natin?
Yun nga hindi. Natakot din kasi ako.
Huwag kang matakot par, samahan kita para hindi na din makaulit sa iba.
Salamat, tol.
Solid ka.
Cyberbullying thrives in silence. Document evidences, support rally, and remember, cruelty speaks more about them than you. So don't stay quiet.
Hey, Roxanne! What are you doing here? Have a seat.
Why you look so frustrated right now?
I tried reading a book, but I keep on reaching my phone. I missed 8 calls because I was watching a dog video. My God, I'm so addicted.
Oh. When was the last time you went out without screens?
College without screens?
Yeah.
Lectures are on Zoom. Modules and notes are in Google Drive.
I mean, for fun, let's do a Saturday detox. Like, no socials, no streaming. Just exist.
And do what? Stare at walls?
No, I mean, you can walk, you can do some activities like jogging, walking, or hiking.
Digital detoxes aren't about deprivation. They're rediscovering life beyond the highlight reel. So start small and let the boredom spark creativity. I tagged our location here at Uptown Bonifacio High Street, and some guy replied. He said, "See you there, beautiful." And he's been liking my old photos, and it creeps me out.
You're so pretty kasi. You've got 1,000 followers. How many do you actually know them? My cousin's friend got stalked because he is everywhere.
But my profile is private, and besides, I want brands to see I'm trendy.
Trendy won't make you happy if someone steals your identity, so turn off your location, personal details, and stop posting your real-time updates.
Okay, fine. Then let's make a workshop on privacy settings, and I'm gonna call it How Not to Get Kidnapped in 10 Seconds 101. Oversharing turns you into a data goldmine. Protect your personal info like your ATM PIN, because convenience isn't worth the risk.
Goodbye, guys! Thank you for watching!
Do